Elevate your shower experience with the Nuie matte black square thermostatic bar valve and shower kit, available at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted from high-quality brass and boasting an impressive matte black finish, this shower kit effortlessly combines style and functionality. With thermostatic control, you can enjoy consistent water temperature every time you step into the shower. No more sudden blasts of cold or scalding water. Our full thermal protection ensures your safety by automatically shutting off the hot or cold water in case of any disruptions. Featuring a sleek square rainfall head design, this shower kit adds a touch of modern elegance to your bathroom decor. With 2 outlets and a single setting handset, you have the flexibility to customize your shower experience according to your preferences. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality with the Nuie matte black square thermostatic bar valve and shower kit. Update your bathroom today and indulge in a luxurious shower that's both safe and visually stunning. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.